In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete Passkey on Amazon. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything you're using, whether you're on iPhone, Android, Samsung, or anything like that. So all you want to do is open up your Amazon application. By default, it's going to look like this. Now on the bottom, you're going to see a bunch of different tabs. Press the one with the 3 lines, and you're going to see a lot of options here. But on the top, you're going to see your account as one of the tabs. So just go ahead and click on that. Now, once you're here, you're going to see even more things. What you want to do is scroll down and you're going to see login and security as one of the options. So just go ahead and press that. Now, once you're here, you're going to see Passkey. It says sign in the same way you unlock your device by using your face, fingerprint, or PIN. As you can see, I have one Passkey already set up, which was apparently set up in 2024. So if I want to go ahead and delete the Passkey, I'm going to see the trash icon next to it. It says delete Passkey. And then all you got to do is delete it, and it says Passkey deleted from Amazon. And now you can go to your cloud service and delete Passkey saved there too if you want to. And yeah, it's as simple as that.